Hey tech enthusiasts, Apple loyalists, and fitness fanatics. Get ready to dive deep into the future of wearable tech. The Apple Watch Series 10 is here, and it's not just an incremental update, it's a game changer. If you've been waiting for the perfect smartwatch, your moment has arrived. First impressions matter, and the Series 10 delivers. You're getting a bigger display with up to 30% more screen area, all packed into a thinner, lighter, and more comfortable design. This isn't just about looks, it means more information at a glance and a more enjoyable wearing experience. Under the hood, it's faster and more efficient. Plus, with 80% battery charge in about 30 minutes, you'll spend less time tethered to a charger and more time living your life. This is the Apple Watch you've always wanted, refined and supercharged. The Series 10 takes health monitoring to an entirely new level. Take an ECG anytime, anywhere, and receive notifications for high, low, or irregular heart rhythms. For women, advanced cycle tracking now includes retrospective ovulation estimates, offering deeper insights into your health. The new Vitals app monitors overnight heart rate and respiratory rate, even detecting signs of sleep apnea. These features aren't just data points, they're proactive tools empowering you to take control of your well-being. For fitness buffs, this watch is your ultimate training partner. Track every movement with customizable activity rings and get advanced metrics for a huge range of workouts. Monitor your training load to optimize performance and prevent overtraining. Love the water? Built-in depth and water temperature sensors make it perfect for aquatic adventures. And don't forget, you get 3 months of Apple Fitness Plus free to kickstart your fitness journey. Stay connected without missing a beat. Send texts, take calls, stream music, and use Siri directly from your wrist. The GPS model works flawlessly with your iPhone or Wi-Fi, keeping you in the loop wherever you go. Safety is paramount with innovative features like fall detection and crash detection, which can automatically alert emergency services. Emergency SOS is just a button press away, and check-in keeps loved ones informed of your arrival. This watch is built to last. It's crack resistant, IP6X certified dust resistant, and boasts 50 meters water resistance. It's ready for whatever your day throws at it. Express your style with easily customizable watch bands and faces. The jet black aluminum case with black sport band is sleek and modern, but there are endless options to match your mood or outfit. The Apple Watch Series 10 is more than just a gadget, it's an essential companion for a healthier, more connected, and safer life. With its stunning design, advanced features, and seamless Apple ecosystem integration, it's an unbeatable package. And right now, you can grab this incredible device for just $359, a fantastic saving from its original price of $429. Ready to experience the future on your wrist? Click the link in the description to check out the Apple Watch Series 10 on Amazon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what your favorite Series 10 feature is. Link is in description to get your Apple Watch Series from Amazon right now.